Legends of Learning presents the Space Cleaning Program game.
L.o.L.
This is a
Newton
science
Station.
game that makes learning about
clicking the
factors
collect
influencing
button at the
motion,
bottom
Newton's first and
force to
second
it.
laws,
When
fun
we
and
collected
easy to
it,
understand.
You can apply a force by clicking this.
In this informative, instructional game, in this space cleaning program, you will be commanding the L.o.L. Newton, a
Congratulations.
spaceship that can transport all
Careful,
garbage
as
to
there
the
are mines
disposal
scattered around
station.
this area.
Your spaceship will move following the first two laws of
Acceleration will
Newton.
determine how the velocity varies direction.
Use the
The
collect
speed is the
button to
magnitude
move
of
an
the
object
velocity.
into space to collect that item. Then, using Newton's laws of force,
object that
you
you
must
may
click
be
on the
carrying.
spaceship and drag
Mass is
and
how
drop a
much
force
matter-
on the spaceship to move in a certain direction to get back to the disposal station.
Cause different outcomes.
Use your
Force,
knowledge
which
of
is
Newton's
indicated on
laws
the game,
to
and you will
carefully
learn
collect
what-
all
but
the
what does it
objects
mean?
and drop
If we
them
have
off
two
in the disposal
different
station
magnitudes,
to
then
complete
the net
each
force
level.
could decrease its magnitude.
Read interesting facts to learn more about science. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to
You
complete
need to
this fun
dispose of the
and
mines
educational game.
until it's affected
Have
by
fun
the gravity
and
of the
enjoy
things
playing.
in space. Or what does it mean to second? The object is